Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Python 3.11. So click on start and here search Microsoft Store, or if you see here, so open it, and once you open it, so here type Python and here give the number 3.11. So here you will see this Python 3.11. Select it. Now here guys, just you have to click on get. It will ask account, so sign in with your Microsoft account and password. If you don't have the account, so check out description video. I show you how to create your free Microsoft Store account. And once you download complete, so just open it. So this is the way guys you can download and install Python 3.11. Guys, it's about 2 MB. Guys, it's about 50 MB. So wait for a few minutes till this process will be complete. And once this is complete, open it. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.